Hey guys, welcome back. So today's review is going to be on these 3 bundles of Waterwave Peruvian. This hair was sent to me by MegaLook Hair Company. You can find them on AliExpress. And so this is my first time working with this company. I do love this hair so far, so good. This is going to be a 4-inch parting. I did create this wig using a 22-inch block. And I got that block from Amazon, which is a size medium. This is the normal luster and the color of the hair. I did not dye it like I usually do. I did bleach the knots. As you can see, we are serving scalp. This lace color blended in so well with my skin, as you will see towards the end. I did not pluck this frontal at all, but because I didn't pluck the frontal at all, but because I decided to go ahead and do a side parting, and so it really did need to be plucked. So for those of you all who are beginners and who is afraid to buy frontals because sometimes they might not be pre-plucked, this might be a good company for you to choose. So once you use the glue of your choice and adhere the wig down, you want to go ahead and you want to separate. You see me plucking out hair that I am creating the baby hair. And so sometimes if you create baby hair, it might be too thick. This is a good method that you want to do, which will thin out the front baby hair. And so that will definitely give you a realistic look. But if you like the thick baby hair look, then go ahead and just leave that alone. Cut and then swoop. And so that's all I'm going to be showing at this part, and then you're going to be giving it a cut. I used to think there was just a way to cut the baby hair, but honestly, there is no way. You can cut it from the left or you can cut it from the right. And so here I am swooping, and quite honestly, I don't know why, but I've been having trouble with my baby hair. I think I got a little bit too big-headed, and so yeah. And so I'm going to be skipping through this baby hair part because it just was not working on this side. But this side was working pretty good. I don't know if you have that problem, like one side be bomb and the other side just be looking like what the F, let me know down below. And so like I said, you're going to be doing the same thing that you did to the other side, and you're going to be thinning out the front baby hair, and then just going to be giving it a cut. Now to me, this hair is bomb, and so I did not have any problems with this hair. I had no problems with the tangling, no problems with shedding. That quite honestly is a 0. Like, I was so surprised with this hair. And so sometimes, like I always tell people, it might be just the method that you do when you are cutting and when you are sewing the wefts onto the wig. And so this is going to be the hot comb that I got from Amazon and the Cara wax stick. Just in case, because people always tend to ask me, and I always tell you all in the videos, and then people still be like, what is the stick that you use? So I'm telling you all, it is the Cara wax stick. I will leave that below in the description box. And so this is going to be a very quick review because this hair is bomb. We all know how curly hair is. Curly hair is, to some people, it's easy, and to some people, it is hard. I used to be afraid of curly hair, and now that I have mastered it, because I use the foaming wrap lotion from Lotta Body, or I use the Design Essentials. And let me tell you, those 2 products, baby, those 2 products right there will have you having that wet look. But I will also be doing a detailed review on that. And so make sure you stay tuned to this video. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you leave them down below, and I will catch you guys in the next video.
Give me 10 toes now. You for me and I'm for you. We both making plays. That's how it should go now. Go now. Girl, I got what you want. And when I'm back in town, I'ma hit that like my first blunt. I swear, I heard you with that kinky shit. Girl, I can take it there. In the mall, blowing a check. Pick out your favorite pair. But why you make it so complicated? Off the drink, we concentrating. I know you won't leave me hanging. Smoking weed out the container. We spend cash for entertainment. There's more where that came from, that's all I'm saying. It's me, you, we making arrangements. It's you and me, we making arrangements. I keep it simple, baby. I'ma keep it simple with you, baby. Yeah. You know I don't never play no games. You know I would never complicate it. Yeah. It's got got me feeling some type of way. Concentrating on the way you keep the